Good evening, good morning, and good afternoon. My name is Amit, and I am digital marketing trainer for hotels, resorts, and restaurants. From last many years, I am teaching and training hotel managers, hotel general managers about how they can rank their OTA pages like Booking.com, TripAdvisor, Expedia, etc., their Google Map and website on top pages on Google, investing just 5 minutes daily. The motive of this video is I'm starting a new services after COVID-19 because now I have trained many people in India. They are expert into hotel digital marketing. They are restaurant managers, hotel sales managers, front office managers, and front office peoples. Few of my team members belong to housekeeping and engineering. They are also expert promoting anything on internet and on Google. Presently, I come in front of you and sharing you information about our virtual sales and marketing offers. So if you are a hotel general manager or you are a hotel owner and COVID has disturbed your business, you must be thinking to appoint a digital marketing agency, or you must be looking for appointing an individual for your hotel. You can do that. But today I am sharing you a great information to all those my elder brothers and sisters in the world. My offer is very interesting and very useful for you. Let's work together. Mutually benefits and performance-based digital marketing. Our digital marketing is completely performance-based. If you have 2 minutes more, I would like to explain you how and why we are one of the best digital marketer for hotels in the world. First of all, we will join your hotel as consultant and digital marketing trainer. We will going to teach your employees, your manager about Google algorithm, and every day we are going to give them 5-minute task. Of course, just 5 minutes task. And whatever we give the task, we will ensure all the work done by your team will be ranking somewhere on Google, YouTube and different search engines on top pages. So we will be the middle person for that. And what will happen next? And then whatever business comes, it's you direct. You don't have to pay commission. You don't have to pay fees to us. No fees. No retentionship fees. Complete digital marketing services for your hotel. More about this services, if you look down of this video, you will find the proposal. This is one of the very exclusive proposal for you, and I am sure nobody will join your hotel on the basis of performance. Either people are looking for a fees, either they are looking for a salary. But I am and my all the students and associates want to join your hotel as performance-based digital marketing for your hotel. We will be your virtual digital marketing employee. We will be part of your hotel team. So if you like this proposal and you find there is some logic, sense and realistic behind this video, you can contact me. My WhatsApp number and all the details you will find below of this video. Again, my gratitude and thank you for watching this video. Second thing, many of you, my brothers and sisters who are watching this video, they must have a question in their mind, who I am and how knowledgeable I am about hotel internet marketing, right? Which hotel I have already worked in the past, what are the case studies? There are a lot of questions because you do not know me and I do not know you. So we are just know each other from last 5 minutes because you are watching my video. So I would like to request you, just hold this video and go to Google and search on Google hotel marketing experts in the world. Trust me, Google going to show you myself. On the first pages, my name is Amit Kaur. Or you can go to Google and search for digital marketing trainer for hospitality industry. Or you can search for Google marketing experts in the world. You will come to know about myself. I am a very down to the earth. I live in India, in Rajasthan, and from last 15 years, my hobby is understanding how this search engine works and how we can make this internet useful for hotel employees. Because I work for many years to the hotel, which we're going to tell you and I'm going to tell you when we talk personally on the phone, my experience. So I have worked with hotels for many years and I have realized nowadays maximum bookings the hotels are getting from online and they have to pay a lot of commission. And if the hotels are also hiring a digital marketing agency or an individual, that is not sufficient to get the results because it required multiple hands and multiple minds. So from last 3 years I decided to teach hotel employees about digital marketing in the way which they understand. Because I worked for a hotel for a couple of years, so I know how busy schedules hotel general manager has, how busy schedules of hotel F&B manager or housekeeping manager. So we have developed this training program according to the hotel employees. I'm not going to sell you anything. This video is not to take my digital marketing course because I do not offer any digital marketing course. I will be joining you, working with you and all my team members and associates working for your hotel day and night like you are working. Only thing is that we will be your virtual sales and marketing employees. And from India, we do marketing for your hotel. If you are watching this video and your hotel is anywhere in the world, give us the opportunity once and trust me, we will be according to your expectation. This is something new thing which I am starting, and today thank you so much to the YouTube that due to this I am able to reach you and you are watching me. More detail about this proposal you will find down of this video, and you will also find my WhatsApp number. You can contact me. My name is Amit Kaur. Thank you so much indeed and gratitude for watching this video. I'm so sorry if you find my English language is not good because I always eat the grammar. Namaste. Thank you very much. Gratitude again for watching this video. I'm looking forward for your phone call or reply. If you have any questions to ask, you can directly talk to us. Namaste. Thank you so much indeed. Take care of you and of your family and of your employee. Thank you.